Welcome to today's video on defining wants versus needs when purchasing a home. Buying a house is one of the biggest investments you'll ever make, so it's important to know the difference between what you want and what you need. Before you start looking for a house, it's a good idea to make a list of wants and needs. Your needs are non-negotiables, such as the number of bedrooms, the type of neighborhood, or the proximity to your work or school. These are things that are essential to your everyday life, and they will determine whether the house is livable for you and your family. Wants, on the other hand, are things that would be really nice to have but aren't essential. These might include things like a finished basement, backyard pool, or a big kitchen. These are the items that will make your house more enjoyable to live in, but won't necessarily affect your overall quality of life. When you're looking at houses, it's important to keep in mind wants and needs. Keep in mind that your needs need to be at the top of the list and only consider houses that meet those criteria. Then you start looking at houses that have some of your wants, but try not to get swayed by them. It's easy to fall in love with a house that has all the bells and whistles, but remember those things aren't important to your everyday life. By being clear about what you want and what you need, you'll be able to make a more informed decision when it comes to buying a house. It will help you focus on the important things and avoid getting caught up in the less important details. As always, make sure to consult a licensed real estate agent, mortgage lender, or other professionals to help guide you through this process. It'll allow you to make a more informed decision about your purchase. Feel free to contact me. I'm Andrew Peters with Keller Williams Classic Properties here in Central Ohio. And hit that subscribe button to get more content about how to buy and sell a house stress-free. Happy home buying, everybody.